another recipe video, and today I'm going to show you my yummy kale shake. Okay, let's get started. So you're gonna need obviously some kale, and I just picked up a big bag at King Soopers, just a local grocery store in my area, but you can get this anywhere basically. And I just technically fill up my blender. Like that. It's recommended that you have 7 cups of vegetables per day, and like seriously, who does that? So this is a good way to incorporate the veggies that you need, or the potassium, which is basically what we need from veggies to function. So yeah. Is that you blend the kale first before adding anything else that you want to incorporate in your shake. So I'm going to blend it on low, and you don't want to put it on high because it'll get all foamy. Alright, so you're going to do that for, they say to do it for a couple minutes, but I only do it for probably a minute, just to get it all blended. You're going to take 1 lemon, and you're going to squeeze it in there. And then I'm going to put in 1 scoop of greens. Right now I am using Dr. Berg's Wheatgrass Superfood, 100% organic. I love Dr. Berg's product. He is 100% fantastic. So I'm going to do 1 scoop of that. 1 heaping scoop of greens, because who doesn't need more veggies and good stuff in your body? So, and then I'm going to take 1 scoop of electrolyte powder from Dr. Berg, because you're going to need, your body needs to function on electrolytes, especially if you're fasting. Since I do fast, I need to make sure that I'm still running properly for the most part. Sometimes I put 2. Today I'm filling 2. And then I'm going to blend that again on low, of course. And then I'm going to put in 1 heaping cup of ice, just to give it some coldness and a little bit of a smoothie taste, but it's not going to blend kind of creamy like a smoothie really does. So it's just going to give you that right kind of texture. So trust me. Okay. So also on low. So this will make 2 servings, and so you can always save the other half for later. I end up always drinking all of it. That's just me. I'm kind of weird like that. So yeah. And if you wanted to make it an actual like meal, you put some coconut oil or like coconut in it, or avocado, and that will help you kind of push through for the next meal. So there you go, my daily kale shake. All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, this recipe, and if you guys try it, please comment below and let me know how it goes. And if you have any other comments or suggestions, also put it down below. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a fantastic day, and cheers to new health in 2022.